Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install the Ring second generation doorbell. Let's get to it. So I have the new Ring doorbell and I'm unboxing it. So there's the Ring, there's your USB. This is the super duper bonus packet that I love that comes with it. I thought I was gonna have to go to the hardware store to get a drill bit to go through my stucco. Oh, Ring gives you one. They also give you a very little tiny level to make sure it's in correctly. They give you all the anchors and screws that you need and this handy dandy Ring screwdriver with 2 different bits that you need. I love that. I think that's awesome. I think that's perfect for everything you need. Let's go and install it. Okay, so when you're going to install your Ring, you might have to take off the old doorbell first. Don't forget to turn off the power before you do anything because it's hardwired to the house. And then you're going to just put your putty knife right on the side, kind of wiggle it a little bit, wiggle, 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 and it's just a spring clamp, and it's gonna wiggle off and come on out. There you go. Okay, I just wanted to show you a little bit on the holes. So I already drilled 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. I'm getting ready to put in the last anchor, and just a little trick, kind of measure off the size of your anchor on your drill bit, put a piece of tape on it, and then that will show you when you're drilling. See if I can see it on the top. When you're drilling, how far in you need to go. When you get to the tape, then you can stop. So that's just a little trick. Okay, so again, you want to make sure your power is off. And I am going to, see if I can get that clear, just disconnect the 2 wires right here. I'm gonna put the faceplate or the bracket plate on up here, and then fish the wires through and connect them before I put the power back on. Okay. So whenever you're putting in your screws, you want to put them in diagonally and not all the way, and then the next diagonal. That helps you get everything centered. Otherwise you tighten one and then you can't get the screws into the other spot. So, and Ring gave us this little handy dandy screwdriver, which I love. Gonna be using it for other things, just so you know. I had to knock off a little bit of my stucco so that my faceplate would sit flush. That was easy. And that's it. We're in. And okay, so the 2 wires that I disconnected from the existing doorbell is going to go back here. Ring said it doesn't matter which wire goes to which screw, so I'm just going to give it a little hook to help it sit around the screw. Use the screwdriver for that, and put it on and screw it down. You might have to open up your screw a little bit more. There you go, like that. Oh, I need more hook. Think Captain Hook. Yep, just like that. And do the other one, and then you're ready to put it on. So we have the 2 screws hooked up. I've already set up my Ring. Gonna take off the protective cover, and then it just sits on this little shelf right here. Gonna feed your wire back into your house basically. Power is still off, and it's gonna sit right there. And then Ring gives you 2 little screws that you put into the bottom. You're gonna have to flip your screwdriver around to the star side and put them in, and then you are fully installed. Put your power back on, and you're good to go.